Hey there, it's Nabila with Mailment. Today I'm going to talk about a special feature that we have in Mailment, which is the cart block in the email builder. Now this one is used for the abandoned cart recovery feature in Mailment. Now you already know that we have the abandoned cart recovery feature in Mailment. That's going to help you send recovery emails to the customers who have added items to their cart from your store and left them abandoned. Now using the cart block in the email builder, you can beautifully design your recovery emails so that they can catch your customers' eyes. Now today I'm going to show you how you can utilize that very easily. So let's get started. To use the cart block feature in Mailment, you need to have Mailment Free and Pro installed and activated on your WordPress dashboard. I have already done that, and now I'm going to show you how you can use the feature. So first, I'm quickly going to show you what my abandoned cart settings are. Now here you can see this is my abandoned cart module, and on the settings tab you can go to the abandoned cart tab here and then check if everything's all right or not. So I have already set up everything, and now I'm going to go to the automations and then click on new automation. Now here I want to use the existing automation we have. So if I click on this, you can see that I have created an automation here with the pre-built automation recipe. Now in this action, you can see that it says send an email. So if I click on this and go to the edit template, now you can see that here's a shortcode. Now this shortcode says cart items, right? Now what this shortcode will do is whoever abandons their cart and gets the recovery email from you, their cart items will be shown in this section. Now if you don't want to use the shortcode, what you can do is change it and use our cart block feature. Now I'm just going to simply show you how it works. Now let's say I want to add this cart block to this specific email body. So what I'm going to do is drag it and drop it after this text. Now first I'm just going to remove this shortcode, and then I'm going to show you how you can edit this block. Now first you can see that you can change the heading here. Now if you don't want to use the default heading we have, you can change it to, let's say, now see, the copy for the heading has been changed. Then you can change the layout of these products and how you want to show them to your customers. Now this is the first layout we have, and we have another layout which is the product grid. Now you can see that there are 3 products shown here, and in the product grid layout your customers won't be able to see the total amount they have left abandoned on their cart. Now here you can see that in the cart table you can check the total amount of the products they have added in their cart and left them abandoned. Now in this first layout you don't get any checkout button, but in the product grid you can use the checkout button here. So for that you don't have to use this recover my cart button. All right, now let me go back to the cart block. Now if I use the first one, you can see that I can also change the quantity of the products I have here. So let's say I am adding 4 quantity. Now what's going to happen here is if your customers have more than 4 products, let's say 5, 6, 7, 8 products on their cart, only 4 products will be shown in these emails. So make sure your emails are designed accordingly. Now why we have the product quantity option here is because if a customer has, let's say, 15 products on their cart, right? Now showing 15 products in a specific email is going to be too long. So you can restrict the product quantity that you want to show your customers in these emails. All right. Now if you scroll down, you can see you have the option to change the dimension, the padding, the image padding, and everything here on the right side. So you can change every single thing here. So I'm just going to go ahead and show you a few things. So let's say you want to change the product name color. You can do that easily using this. You can see that the product name color has changed to red. Now you can also change the product quantity color, let's say purple. You can see that the quantity has changed. You can change the product footer color. You can change everything according to your brand color and style. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and click on next. And that's about it. Now this specific trigger is for abandoned cart. Now if anyone abandons any product on their cart, this email will be sent to your customers. Now you can either use the shortcode or the cart block to make your emails more attractive. I would suggest using the cart block so that you can design however your emails are sent to your abandoned customers. So that's it. Here's how you can use the cart block in the email builder to design attractive emails for your abandoned customers. Now this is one of a kind feature in Mailmint that most of the other email marketing tool doesn't have. So use Mailmint to check this feature out. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.